Okay, today we are cleaning the mass airflow sensor on a 2013 Toyota Camry. So the mass airflow sensor measures the volume of air flowing into the engine by detecting changes in air density as it passes through the sensor. We're only going to be using this mass airflow sensor cleaner. And again, this video is specifically for a 2013 Toyota Camry. This is applicable to other vehicles. However, depending on the make and model, you may have a different sensor that's not something you want to clean on these newer vehicles or an older vehicle. Again, this is for a 2013 Toyota Camry. The mass airflow sensor is very fragile. You don't want to drop it. You don't want to blow compressed air through it. No Q-tips, no brushes, nothing. Just mass airflow sensor, cleaner, and that's it. So with the engine off and cold, I'm going to go ahead and disconnect the little wiring connector here. This little tab you got to push on. There we go. And then there's two Phillips head screws that we have to unscrew. Just trying to get some of the dust out of the way. I don't want to drop dust inside when I remove the airflow sensor. And again, these are fragile. You want to handle them gently. So that's what it looks like. There's like a tiny little hot wire sensor in there. Kind of see it there. Or hot plate, I believe is what they call it. You can correct me in the comments. So again, I'm just using the mass airflow sensor cleaner. Do not try to use any other chemicals. Use a proper spray chemical for this. Just a couple quick sprays all around, inside and out. I'm doing this over a bucket. Don't get it on your paint or anything on your car. Then we're going to set it aside, let it completely dry. Doesn't take very long. Once it's completely dry and clean, now we'll go ahead and reinstall it. The O-ring on it looks good. Simply reinstall it with the two screws. You don't need to crank down really tight on these little screws. They're screwed into plastic, so don't over torque them. And then we'll reattach the little wiring harness connector. And that's it. Job complete. Please like, share, subscribe, leave me a comment, and thanks for watching.